is currently pretty late. I think that I'm gonna take a few of these guys out. So, I got the top view now. Didn't know if you guys would like that better. But what do you think? Are these wide enough? I mean, compared to the original, it is a lot wider. I don't think we're gonna get it much wider, honestly. Let's hurry up and get this all screwed in now. First, I'm gonna take this back off right here. So I'm gonna take this. Make sure the light's bright. And I got these two screws right here. Then you're gonna want to put this on right here, and then you see that it looks nice, doesn't it? Take your handy dandy screwdriver. Oh, of course. And then you're gonna screw these in. So guys, now that you did that, you're gonna get these parts and take this boy. You're gonna need two tiny screws, big screw. You're also gonna need two more tiny screws, and a big screw. Now you're gonna take this guy, and don't forget your main part, which is your right fist. Get this bad boy back out, and see these? Yeah, they're gonna be getting handy.
Okay, I just had an idea of the ages, okay? Instead of me being stupid, I'm dumb. I'm gonna slide right in. Just easy as 1, 2, 3. Oh, so now we got this part done, and let me just say, it looks pretty white, if you ask me. I'm about to stab you in. Oh, good. Did you get some outside? Compared to what it used to be. I mean, like, look at this.
Oh, and here he is. Oh, here's some OxyClean. Yeah. What do you guys think? I think that this looks a lot better than the beginning. The back half looks pretty good. You can still kind of see very faint. Only on the top is like the worst, I guess. Will probably be a part 3 later on where I'm just going to do toy hacks, and then I found an upgrade set for him. It gives him a head. Now it's an actual goodbye. Bye. Signing off.